think it's getting dark.
Okay, me, Wario. I am your master. Mario is your enemy.
The wicked imposter Wario has cast an evil spell over Mario Land.
Don't let Mario get such golden coins. Don't let Mario reach the palace.
This is the biggest, most dangerous, most challenging Game Boy adventure yet.
Okay, Wario. Destroy Mario.
Oh, I didn't see nothing. I'm not saying nothing.
You're getting very greedy.
Please. No. If you're mad at me about the rug, I've got more rug.
It's just a dream. That was the worst Wario dream I had. Let me go and get Dora. Dora the Explorer!
What?
I have to go to summer school for 3 hours. And 5 babysitters are going to watch you. There are Judy Hopps, Claudio, and Puffball from BFDI, Jeffy, and Clawhauser. I want you to be on your best behavior. If you don't, I'll kick you out of the house. Bye.
Be tamed. I can't be, I can't be tamed.
It's time to strangle Leafy! Dora, I cannot believe you strangled Leafy. That's it.
You're in a timeout.
You crapped your pants.
In summer school. Okay, class, today we are doing math. Gavin Graham, what is the square root of 9? It is 3. Congratulations. You have received the best trip to the principal's office. At the principal's office? Gavin, I cannot believe you got your math problem right. For your reward, you are going home early. See you next time, Gavin Graham. Anytime, Principal. Back at Gavin's house. I got a special delivery for Officer Clawhauser.
Now let's complete this transaction.
Be quiet, Dora. You're not touching my delivery that I got from the mailman. Now that the principal let me go home early, I am going to go home with my rafflecopter. The rafflecopter can fly me home. Okay, then let's go.
The rafflecopter goes swah, 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 swah.
Dora, the Explorer. Dora, grab your backpack. Let's go. Jump in. Vote my nose.
Okay, we don't need to hear it again.
Dora, the Explorer.
I said we don't want to hear another one, but thank you. I'm home from summer school. Guys, has anything happened to Dora? I'll tell you what Dora did to us. Later when the babysitters told Gavin what Dora did. And that's all the things that Dora did. Oh my gosh, Dora the stupid explorer. How dare you misbehave with your babysitters? That's it. I'm kicking you out of the house.
But what about
My diamond!